I'm back from our little trip to the Bay Area, and we're trying to like get back on track. Got to get those electrolytes in. I feel like I'm a little dehydrated. We got lots going on today. I'm gonna take Tali to school. The 4 older kids, middle schoolers are already at school. I'm taking Tali to school. This guy and I are starting a little bit of a potty training journey. We'll see how it goes. So we've tried a couple other days and we've had multiple accidents. So we're just trying again, you know. I have committed to participating in our seasonal garage sale in our neighborhood, and I'm about to declutter my house. I have about 4 hours to kill, so we're gonna get it done. We're gonna go room by room and just get rid of as much as we can and stuff everything in my guest room that is already super stuffed. I'll show you. Get this party started. Oh, wrong door. There's your jeans are cute. Love you too. This morning I went through some of the things that I wanted to put in the garage sale pile and that I have been ready to get rid of for years. And then I'm like, you know what, maybe if I just like paint it or change it a little bit and make it look a little bit modern, it will fit my current home versus like the country farmish home that I had before. I mean, that is not my personality. I guess I was in that era. I guess that was the thing to do in that time and in that era. Like shop at Kirkland, you know, and like get all that distressed stuff. But I am very much not in that era anymore. But if I could switch it up, I don't know. I'll show you when I get home and let me know what you think. I don't know what it is, but I have been hungry earlier. So it's 10:12 and I just ate this big bowl of kale salad and barbecue chicken that I made on the Blackstone yesterday. I made a huge thing of it because I feel like if I make the protein, we will eat healthier ahead of time. I could just add things to it. And what are you little doing in here? Okay, we're destroying our Bluey trampoline. It's fine if the things come off. It's fine. Garage sale stuff is starting to pile up. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do with this kitchen because Cezeo doesn't really use it anymore. And I know that the girls are not into it, but I just don't know if I have it in me to give it up yet. I may have to wait one more season to see if I can, like, I don't know, get him motivated to play with it. But my guest room is starting to fill up. I've been putting all the things, except for that's staying. We just keep that in there when the girls aren't using it. But we've got lots of things in here that we are going to be giving away. The Barbie house, I have some PR that I think I would like to just give away at the garage sale. And yeah, boxes of clothes, slippers that don't fit. Oh, I don't know why that's in there. Do you want to keep that? That's fine. I need to not let him in here because he'll take everything. But yeah, we're getting started on this journey of getting rid of a lot of stuff. These are the ones that I was talking about. They don't really go. They're like kind of like a farmhouse look. But I'm wondering if where this whitewash is, if I could just paint that black with the white in front, it would stand out and then I can repurpose it and put it, because I'm not sure if I'm ready to like fully get rid of these. I think I'm going to try that first. And if I still don't like the look, then I will do it in the next garage sale. Because this vibe really just doesn't match kind of just like the clean, modern vibe that I have going on in the rest of the house. So I don't know, but this is a little embarrassing. I need to go through this. This is ridiculous. And let me just say, this is not me. This is the girls putting away the dishes from the dishwasher because that's their job. So I need to come in here, get rid of at least half, if not more. This is like my meal prepping situation. I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of this stuff because I also have this section here that I have like, that's kind of crazy too. This is more of like my glass food containers and things like that. And I want to focus on that and then use the plastic ones for meal prepping only. I don't need extra Tupperware that's not meal prepping and glass. So we're going to be getting rid of a lot of that stuff. I need to reorganize this utensil situation. We'll get rid of some of these. I do have, oh yeah, I do have some things in the pantry, like an ice maker that I don't need anymore because I got a newer one like a couple years ago and that still works fine. I think there's a crock pot that I bought at another garage sale that I feel like I just shouldn't have bought it. So I'm going to resell it. And some things in the garage, that's going to be my husband's domain. I think that's going to be like him when the garage sale is set up. He's going to open it up, and as people are coming, he'll start throwing things out. We need to go through the toy section, which is always really hard for me, so I'm going to do that when he naps. Should we go potty?
Thank you.
Yeah, I think we should go. I go potty and then we can spend some time outside. Kaya is just napping today. You don't want to come out this morning? You just went potty and ate and then went right back in? You just relaxing? I'm going to spend a couple minutes in my office, just like tidying it up, getting organized, making sure there's nothing else I need to do for the day to get ready. Actually, I think I need to sign up my son for his tournament this weekend, order a couple things on Amazon, do a quick Sam's Club order because we need like toilet paper, milk, a few cleaning supplies, a little bit of laundry detergent, things like that. I'm going to get those orders started and then we're going to get to decluttering. It's a little daunting is every single time my son participates in a football tournament, we need to sign up for a whole new app, a whole new event, pay, birth certificate, photo, headshot, like it's fine. It's fine. But usually these tournaments are like quick, like, hey, on a Wednesday, hey, you want to do a tournament on Saturday or Sunday? Sure. Send me the link on Thursday. Friday practice, leave the house at 6 a.m. on Saturday to go to a tournament. That's how this age is. They like, for sevens, you saying hi to them? So this isn't tackle that's just in the fall. It's 7-on-7, which is like year round when he's not playing tackle. And they switch teams, like kids switch teams all the time. So it's like, you know, find a team, pick up, let's go, you know, another registration, another birth certificate, another headshot for mom, another waking up at 5:30 in the morning to get your butt out of bed to get you there on time, another last minute tournament, another last minute practice before the tournament. That's just the life of a sports football mom. I really want another coffee. I already had one at like 6:15 this morning. I really want another one. It's 10:30, but I'm going to get one for myself and reward myself once I get my stuff done. So I've got a long list, mental list in my head of things that I want to get accomplished for the garage sale. Let's do it. These are some of the things that I put aside, clothes that don't fit my kids anymore and I want to give away like slowly as I'm doing laundry. I'm always like pushing things to the side. I need to figure out some more stuff in the girls' room, but first I'm going to get some laundry done. I'm washing towels today, so I want to make sure these get in the dryer and then finish putting all of the stacks of clothes that I have right here, clear the laundry room a little bit, and then we are going to get to decluttering the kitchen and other areas and getting ready for the garage sale. Eventually, I would like to combine these with the glass. I don't think that's going to happen today, but I'm very happy with this. Some of these things, like these thermoses, are going to go in the lunch making section, but all these Tupperwares, I'm just going to get rid of. I may keep a couple that are like intact, like those, and this is going to go with the bento stuff, but the rest I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to save these for the next snack situation for sports, and these are going to go in the lunch making section for Tazeo for when he starts preschool in the fall. But yeah, I'm very happy with how this turned out. this is done. We've got lunch boxes, bento boxes, thermoses, a salad thing, my big tackle box situations for when we travel. I'm gonna put all the kids' current water bottles, one per kid here, extra lids and straws and things that go with the water bottles. So this will be good. This stuff is going out there too. This is the stuff I told you about earlier that I've been collecting for the past couple months, just taking it out of the laundry. Things that I just, we don't want anymore. And these are like really nice things, like cozy things. So let me know how much I should be selling this stuff for. Like anything that's left over, I'm gonna donate, but I'm gonna participate in the garage sale and it's for pay. So, I mean, should I do like $3 or should this be like $5? For a Barbie dream house that's in mint condition, should it be like 30 bucks, 40 bucks? I have some Barbies and furniture to go with it. Most of the things are just gonna be like $1, but I have some nice like sweatshirts that could be like $3. I don't know.
Mom, where's my sweatshirts?
I don't know. What do you think I should charge?
Where's my sweatshirts?
I'm not getting rid of any of your sweatshirts yet because we're gonna give your stuff to Daddy's friend. Okay?
Why?
Because
I love my sweatshirts.
well, you have so many and some of them don't fit anymore. These are gonna go out. Air fryer, an ice maker. Ooh, I should go through my waffle makers because I think I have a lot of waffle makers. And then the cup situation I'm gonna do with my girls when they get home because they have a whole bunch of like knockoff Yetis and Stanleys and things that we've gotten at like Ross and Marshalls throughout the years that they no longer use. So I want to know like which ones are they willing to give up, which ones even have lids, because I think like only 15% actually have lids. We'll have to figure that out. Let's do some silverware. Kind of sort of recently went through this, but of course it's a hot mess because my teenage daughters put away the dishes. So I have to come in here and kind of just assess the situation every couple days and just make sure it's good. But for the most part, I feel like this shouldn't go here. I feel like all this stuff. Go ahead, you can have some seaweed. It's on the counter right there. It is messy, but I have 6 kids. It's always gonna be messy. This is gonna go somewhere else. This is going in the barbecue area. Entire drawer is now shut by glue because it used to be our silverware drawer, but my kids are so rough. They're constantly like pulling it out and it's a heavy drawer. So the face of it actually broke off and we tried to glue it so many times, but it just wasn't working. So we decided to staple it shut or nail it shut. So this is a non-working drawer and we have this rinky-dink drawer for our silverware. We have minimized it. We have extra sets in like a cabinet in case we have guests, but for our everyday silverware we decided to minimize it and we only have a little bit. This drawer is smaller and sturdier and can handle the weight a little bit better. Yes.
This size break?
No, I think it just needs to be wiped down. I really need to wipe these counters down and the cabinets. The stove is a mess. But I think that's it for the day. I'm going to move on. I'm going to get this little guy ready for an NAP. Because I need to get some editing done on the computer.
No, I can get ready myself.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna go potty. We're gonna try to go potty today. We've had 2 accidents. Number 1 and number 2, right? But we're gonna try. We're gonna keep chucking along and we're gonna keep trying, right? Because we're trying to get ready for preschool in the fall. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned because tomorrow I'm going to be doing some more decluttering, more in like the kids' rooms and maybe some outdoor stuff. You want to head over to Walmart tomorrow because I need to get like milk and toilet paper and cheese and tortillas and just like lunch stuff for the new school week. These jeans and these jean shorts, and someone posted it online, and I want to see if they work for me because I need shorts. And nowadays, the ones that I like in like the juniors department, not the women's, I like the style better, but they're just too short for me, and I've had a child and I need to work on my squats, so I'm not quite there yet. So I want something that fits me a little bit better, and these look really doable, so we're gonna try it. And then I also want to try the jeans as well. So tomorrow we'll go to Walmart and we'll also finish everything upstairs in all the kids' rooms, decluttering and cleaning and doing more stuff to get ready for the garage sale. And then follow me on Instagram because Saturday is going to be a crazy day. Like, I'm not even gonna talk about it right here because I'm gonna get stressed out. It's going to be a crazy day, and I thought it would be fun to film that day because it's that crazy and I think it will be entertaining. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, click the little bell to get post notifications. If you click the bell, it's free and you get notified immediately when I post a new upload. And yeah, follow along. I'll see you in the new one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, friends.
Well, we didn't shop Rebel them yet.
Yeah, they've seen Rebel before. Bye, guys.